Please remember, as a patient, the most critical part, the most important part, and the only surgical part in a hair transplant is taking out the follicles. If your follicle quality is good, they are not transected, they are not damaged during extraction, your result will automatically come out to be good. In India and in many countries, this part has been transferred to technicians, which is the most wrong thing to do in a transplant. So if you are undergoing a transplant and you want a good result, ensure the main surgeon takes out your entire follicles. He does not leave the follicle extraction part to technicians. So follicle extractions, designing, making slit, that's the part of the surgeon. Please ensure for good results, you should maintain this and you will definitely get a good result. Any clinic not considering to the surgeon not considering to take out hair follicles, you should reconsider that clinic for hair transplant.